battlefield defined my strength. Hard work gave me the vision. Once the saviors of nation are now nation builders. I am a soldier. I am a warrior. I have answered my nation's call. My mission is to provide affordable homes to all associated with the group and giving a better and secured future. I'm faithful to a proud heritage, a tradition of honor and a legacy of valor. I'm guardian of freedom and the army way of life. I am Veteran Defence Forces Group. Welcome to the world of ATFL, the flagship company of the VDFG Veteran Defence Forces Group. VDFG is the name of trust and security to your future. Veteran Defence Forces Group or VDFG was founded in 1986 by 3 ex-defence service officers. Late Lieutenant General J.M. Vora, PVSM SM, Lieutenant Colonel R.S. Gaba, Major C.M. Bhando, with a vision to provide economic opportunities to defence personnel and other small investors, and gave birth to Asian Townsville Farms Limited, the flagship real estate company of the group. Company has proven track record of 27 years in promotion and development of farm complexes and residential colonies in many towns of North India. Over the years, the group has earned complete trust and confidence of its investors, who expected and received guaranteed value for their money. ATFL, the real estate flagship company of Veteran Defence Forces Group, has successfully completed many prestigious projects. Major projects include Defence Colony, Pathankot in 45 acres, Green Orchards, Palwal in 120 acres farmhouses, Jalvayu Thalasena Garden JVTS, Delhi in 35 acres, Dauladhar View, Dharmshala developed in 10 acres, awarded Best Colony of Himachal Pradesh, Raksha Retreat, Bhimtal Nainital, built cottages as joint venture, 3,000 families and one name, Veteran Defence Forces Group. VDFG promises to bring more smiles and more faces by providing shelter to LIG and MIG segment of the society in Ambala, Rudrapur, Delhi and Noida. ATFL Harman City, Ambala Sector 42. A prestigious integrated township at Ambala Cantonment is well located about 8 kilometers from Ambala Cant Railway Station and 45 kilometers from Chandigarh. The project is spread over in 47 acres of Ambala Jagadri Road, which is being upgraded to 4-lane highway. An airport is also being developed in Ambala Cant, getting it closer to Smart City. ATFL makes the project affordable by migrating it to Deen Dayal Jan Awas Yojana and offering it at attractive price. The project is in proximity of prestigious schools, military hospitals, ECHS Polyclinic, shopping center of Ambala Cant, and offers plot sizes ranging from 84 to 180 square yards starting at Rs 9 lakhs. It is located on the proposed 75 meters peripheral road connecting Ambala Cant, Ambala City, giving access to Punjab, Chandigarh, Delhi and UP. The ceiling features of the project are the first affordable RERA approved project in Ambala Cant, permitted to build G+3 independent floors with choice to build villas as per government building bylaws, up to 80% bank loan with interest subsidy up to Rs 3.50 lakhs for construction loan under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The project is divided in 4 blocks, each block having a community center, 2 parks and a commercial. It has also a wide road network with green avenues, 24/7 water supply, complete sewage system, CCTV security, street lighting and many other modern features. Affordable by all segments of society. Yoga Center by Patanjali Yogpeeth adjoining the complex. EWS units are ready for possession. All these features will make the project vibrant and will bring satisfaction to the end users. Another ongoing project by VDFG is Defence Enclave Sector 44 Noida. We are excited to bring to you our new project in Defence Enclave Noida, which is under development and construction is in full swing. Defence Enclave occupies a premium location with Noida Golf Course, Biodiversity Park, Amity University and various schools, hospitals, malls and metro stations in close vicinity. The company provides all options of 1, 2 and 3 BHK at the most affordable prices equipped with all modern amenities. The salient features of this project are freehold, 24/7 water supply, CCTV gated complex, common car parking, maintenance-free building, lifts in each tower, affordable cost up to 80% bank loan. Our objective is not only to provide affordable homes but to create safe, secure and profitable opportunities for investors. We make your money grow. VDFG 12% assured returns model, providing an excellent avenue for capital appreciation to small investors through booking of commercial real estate units in its Ambala project. ATFL Harman City. VDFG assures returns on commercial units at the rate of 12% yearly to senior citizens and women and 10% to others. Booking of commercial spaces starts at ₹4 lakh. VDFG fulfills its social responsibility through Veteran Defence Forces Group Trust. 50% of the net profits of the VDFG Group go towards various CSR activities and other welfare projects. The group is associated with Patanjali Yogpeeth. The group has been conducting regular yoga shivers for defence and paramilitary forces. They said, one soldier can change the world. We welcome the saviors of the nation to now build the nation. Every life is important, and as an Indian, VDFG is committed to serve its clients, so you deserve the best. Your encouragement inspires us to give you the best. You again make us feel like a soldier. So let's make a home together without worrying about making money. My path has not been yet determined. I shall have more experiences and pass many more milestones.